Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to create a voicemail greeting on Google Voice. So to get started with it, guys, I'm going to walk you through two simple method at which you can use to create a voicemail greeting. So the first method will be on a mobile. So if you're an Android or iOS user, so here's guided for you. So open the Google Voice app, then tap the menu icon, which is the free line icon in the top left. Then from there, tap the settings, then scroll down or scroll to voicemail greetings under the voicemail. Then from then, tap record a greeting. So tap the microphone icon to start recording. Then tap the stop when you're done. Then name your greeting. Then from there, tap the save button. So you can then set it as your active greeting by tapping the three dots next to it and select set as active, and that's it. So if you're on a mobile, just go to the voice.google.com, then go to the then click the gear icon at the top right. Then from there, choose the voicemail. Then under the voicemail greetings, click manage greetings, then click record a greeting. Then from there, follow the prompt, save and select your new greeting and set it as active, and that's it. If you find the video helpful, hit the turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.